Now, in order to get your hosting and domain registered, you just need to check out the link in my description. So once you check out the link in my YouTube description there, you see the link to go to HostGator. So if you click on that link, you're going to be getting a 65% off discount exclusive to only our channel subscriber to sign up for HostGator, because we are partner and affiliate with HostGator. So we'll earn a little commission when you purchase your hosting through our affiliate link. Okay, so once you click on that link, you'll be brought to the HostGator's website. So on this website here, what you need to do is to click on the Get Started button. Now, once you click on that button, you'll be brought to this plans page here. On this page, you can see various hosting plans here. So depending on your need, if you need to host unlimited website, then you can go with the baby plan. But if you just need to host a single site, maybe a landing page, a blog, or your company website, you can go with this one. But though I highly recommend, as you can see here, you go with this offer, which is this, because you're getting unlimited websites here and you can host unlimited domains on this plan. Though in all these plans you're still getting free domain, but for the business plan, unless you, like, let's say for instance you have an existing website, you need to migrate to HostGator and your website is already getting traffic, then you can go with the business plan here, which is this here. But in this case, you're going to go with the hatchling plan here. Now once you do that, you'll be brought to this page here. So this is the checkout page where you can register your domain. So if I type something like this here, because this is my name here, I type something like this here, then I click on yeah.com. So HostGator is going to do a search now. As you can see here, this is unavailable because I've already registered this domain here. So if you have a business idea or a domain idea you want to use for one of your businesses and you search for that name here and you see this unavailable message here, just know that somebody else has already registered that domain. So what you need to do is to pick another name. So here, what I'm going to do here is I'm kind of going to type maybe my other name here. Okay, so this is it here. So I'll just leave it as it is. So let's HostGator do a search. As you can see here, this name is available. So this is what you need to do if you get that unavailable message there. So as this name is available, I'm getting this domain for free. So when you use that link on my YouTube channel, the description there, you're going to get to this website. So when you use that link, you're going to be getting a free domain name plus a 65% discount when you use that link there. So once you search for your domain name, for the domain privacy, it's going to cost you an extra $14.95 per year if you need it. So domain privacy is all about hiding your identity online. So if you want to hide your identity, maybe your name, your email address, so you don't want your email address to be stored on a public database. So if somebody looking for, okay, who owns this domain, so they won't see your details there. Instead of it to show HostGator's detail there, then you can choose this one here, but it's not so important. So you can still uncheck this if you don't want that. So here we can see the package here is hatchling. The billing cycle is 36 months. If you go with 36 months, you're going to get the highest discount there. So if you go with the 36 months, you're going to get with the highest discount. But in this case, I'm just going to choose the 12 months here, which is 1 year. So here, as you can see here, you're getting 55% off that if you go with the 12 months. So depending on your budget, but I highly recommend you go with anything from 12 months and above if you want to get the best result from your website, and because it will allow you time to, cater for your website, get traffic and build your business. So I highly recommend this here. So after that, you just need to create your account. So enter your email, confirm your email, enter your password. Then for the security pin, you just need to select a pin, a random pin, just a pin you can remember. So this pin is very important in the sense by if you're trying to contact HostGator support about your website, for them to provide support for your website, they will ask you for this pin. This pin is to verify that, okay, you are the actual person contacting them, so it will not be like a fraudster trying to contact them for sensitive information about your website. So they'll ask for this pin. So you need to select a 4-digit pin that is kind of hard to guess. So you don't just go and choose 1, 2, 3, 4. So you just choose something that is hard to guess. So just like that. After you're done with that, then you add your billing info. You're paying with credit card or PayPal. You add that there. So here, all you need to do is you don't need to select any other thing there, unless you read through this place. You need these services, you can choose them. So depending on your name, but in this case, we're not going to select anything here. Okay, so here you can see the discount code you're using. When you use my link there, you're getting all this here plus a free domain name. So once you're done with all this, filling all your information above, just select this, you accept their terms and conditions, then click on checkout and pay. So after you've added your credit card, so it's going to be your credit card, then HostGator is going to send you some series of emails after you've signed up. That's after you've completed your purchase. So in the next screen, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into your HostGator's dashboard. That's if you sign up, like if you complete the checkout, automatically it's going to create an account for you and log you in. So what we're going to do in the next screen, I'm going to show you how to install the WordPress application so that we can start building out either our website, our blog, or our landing page, anything you're trying to build. So I'm going to walk you through on how to install WordPress there in the next page. Okay, so I just logged in now. So it's trying to log me into the partners. Okay, so once you're done with that, you'll be logged into this dashboard. So this is your hostgator's portal. They call it portal. So this is your hostgator's portal. Okay, in order to install the WordPress application, now you can see details about your hosting package you bought. So you can just go to this place here. You can either choose the 𝗢𝗂𝗏. So let's use this one, the 𝗢𝗂𝗏, because it's an application you're going to use. The application is called cPanel. So that is what we're going to use to install the WordPress application. So just follow along. Okay, so once you do all that, you'll be brought into the cPanel. So this is the HostGator cPanel. This is where you can manage your website, which is the back end, the admin area, where you can manage all the technical aspect of your website here. So okay, so this is it here. Okay, so once we're done with that, we just need to scroll down where you have software. So if you see software here, you just need to, let me put this application I'm looking for. Okay, so just scroll down here, just here where you see the Subtaculous app installer. So just select WordPress. So it's the WordPress script you're trying to install here. Okay, so once you do that, you'll be brought to this page here. So this is the installation page. Now on this page, this is what you need to do. Before I do this, let me quickly do something, because as you can see here, I already have WordPress installed on some domains here. So what I can do, let me just delete this one, because this is an active domain. I don't want to go and spoil something there for what is already active, and visitors are already visiting the website, so I don't want to destroy it. So let me just delete this. Let me see if I can remove this installations. Okay, I just removed this. So this is just how to remove an installation, just in case you started using your HostGator's and your HostGator's hosting account and you want to delete some of the installations. So this is just a process of doing that. So I just go back to return to WordPress management. Okay, so once you're there, you just need to click on the install button there to bring you back to this page here. On this page, you're already here. What I can just do, in your case, it will just be the domain you've registered. That free domain HostGator gave you during the checkout there. So it will be the domain that will show up here. But here, I already have WordPress installed on this domain, and this is a live domain, so I don't want to do it on this domain. What I want to do is I want to do it on a subdomain, like a subdirectory. So you don't need to bother about this step. Just leave it as your own domain here. This is it. Unless you've created a subdomain, maybe if you want to create multiple sites on one domain. If you want to create multiple sites on one domain, then you can create a subdomain and install WordPress there. But don't worry about any other thing. Just leave it as your own domain here. But in this case, I'll just select this because I don't want to destroy that one there. Then once you do this, you leave it as HTTPS, because HostGator is going to give you free SSL when you sign up with them. So SSL is just this padlock here, if you don't know it, for security purpose, to make your site secure. As you can see, your connection is secure. So you leave it as HTTPS here. So you scroll down here, you can put your site settings. So your site name might be, okay, let me put it this way. So this is what we're going to name it here. Then description can be anything. Okay. Okay, so this is it here. Then for the admin password, there's the username. So the username can be anything. Then for the password, let me just hide this password. For the password, I can just use this here. Now for the email, you can either leave it as it is here, but I don't think this email is created. So what I love to do is I love to add my Gmail here. Okay, so here you can see I love to add this. Why? Because anytime WordPress is trying to send something like admin message, maybe if my site is down, if WordPress wants to message me that okay, there's something wrong with my site, it will send the email automatically to this email, because that one that was there before, this is a new installation, this is a new hosting account, we've not created or set up those emails. So for reliability purpose, I always put the Gmail here so that I am sure that okay, it will actually go to this Gmail address here. That's why I like doing this. So if you have a Gmail, you can replace it here. Okay, so once we're done with that, we don't need any other thing here. You just need to click on install. So it's trying to install here. Now, as you can see, the software was installed successfully. So what we need to do in order to log into our WordPress dashboard so that we can start installing things and blogging or start building our website, blog, or landing page, wherever you're trying to build, is click on this administrative URL here. So just click on this one. So it will take you directly to the login, which is the admin, which is WordPress admin. So automatically to log you in and take you there. Okay. So before we do anything here, or before we end this video, I want to just show you something so that you don't get confused. Just in case now you're logged into your WordPress admin and maybe you log out and tomorrow you want to log in again. This is how to do it. So simply you can log out this way. So just click on log out here. So you see this URL here. Just here from here, this your domain /wp-login. You can see here. From this place, I just highlight like this. Indicates it to be your domain here, so don't get confused here to be, because this is my domain, that's why I show you here. But the main difference there is just putting the slash there and wp-admin. So this is the login page for WordPress. So remember that username and password you created during the installation of the WordPress. So you just need to use it. This is what you'll be using to log in. So you can just log in. So just add your username and password. So this is just how to log into your WordPress dashboard, just in case you want to log in later. As you can see here, now you can save it if you want to save. So I can just save it. So this is how to sign up for a hosting account, get in a domain, and install WordPress.